from the 19th of the 4th, 1437, character. And this is, I guess, some of this at least is stuff that people would generally not have public. So this is the sort of questions that I may ask people that, you know, private conversation, not that I'm exposing certain things, but we all have vice and virtues. Make a chart as to them in 2 columns. Repeat this with likes and dislikes. What countries are you attracted to? What places do you have an aversion to? What time periods seem pleasing to you? Which eras are repulsive to you? Can you explain a chronology of yourself? Can you explain any of these things through your dreams? Are there any other ways for you to explain your development in terms of this life for turning to past life claims? You